Today we're going to be transferring the audio from a 78 RPM disc. They were produced starting around 1900, and they were the most popular recording format until the LP came along. So after washing the disc, we just make sure that there's no more dust on the surface in the grooves by just blowing that. And then we also we have this stylus cleaner. We have a number of styli to choose from. The groove's not always the same from disc to disc because there was less standardization in those times. The track is Don't Take Me Home by Eddie Morton. So we have a turntable that allows us to adjust the speed down to the tenth of an RPM. In the mid-20s, late 20s, 78 became common. As early as 1908, when this disc is from, it could be anywhere from the low 70s to